Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Chevrolet Trax LT. Under the hood we have a 1.4-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in gray, looks great. You got that Chevrolet badging up front there with your projector-style headlights, and coming all the way around to the side we do have Continental brand tires with 16-inch rims. They look great. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle you got that Trax badging as well as the LT, the Chevrolet, and the backup camera. Open it up right here. Looks great back here as well. Very spacious. You got that guy to cover it up as well. And then you do have your spare tire just underneath there as well. Those seats do fold forward a bit to give you a little bit of extra room. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them, remote start, and our panic up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows and locks, a bit of chrome accenting on the handle, a handle here, storage here and here. And it does look great in here as well. Very spacious, and the seats are very nice and comfortable. Lumbar support here as well as the tilt. And then over here we got the controls over our lights, so our on, auto, daytime running lights, and low beams. In-cabin light control here. And up here we do have the controls over the turning signals, high beams, and the selector for the screen in the middle. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer as well as our fuel gauge right there. Now it does also tell us our speed in the center there. We can switch that around to our trip A or 1 and 2. Our fuel range, we got our continuous fuel economy, our average fuel economy, average speed, navigation, and then you can switch it over to your oil life, tire pressure, units, and all sorts of different stuff in there. That is controlled from right here. As well on here you do have your cruise control options, horn in the center, and your Bluetooth options with your volume up and down the source. You got your windshield wiper control right there. And then in the center we do have our touchscreen display. So you do have your audio just up here with your different sources. So you got your AM, FM, Sirius XM, USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Then you can switch it around to your gallery, your phone, OnStar, all those guys. When you're in reverse, you got the ever useful backup camera keeping you nice and safe. And then down here we got the home button, the skips, volume up and down with the power, and your phone button there. And then you do also have your traction control, hazard lights, temperature control, AC, circulation, power, defrost, and then your where it's blow out of. And then you do have your USB and aux cord plugins. Got some storage there, gear shift here, cup holders. And we do have our glove box just over here as well with our owner's manual inside of it. And then up top you do have the light control. Okay, let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have that same chrome accenting, control of your windows, a handle, and more storage down there. Looks great back here as well. Same material as the front, seats 5 people altogether. You do have your armrest right there with some cup holders, and you can fold the seats forward just like that. You got access to the back, or just gives you a little bit of extra room. And there's our 1.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2017 Chevrolet Trax LT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself, take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.